Do you want to learn programming in a fun way and that too with the most popular language, which is Python? So here we are. Welcome to Training Worksheet, your go-to place for mastering Python and machine learning from scratch. My name is Saurabh, a senior data scientist with over 5 years of experience in the domain of AI, machine learning and data science. So if you have not done programming before, that's completely fine because in this series, we will start from scratch. So today's video is all about understanding the Python and why it is the most popular language in the world of data science. Plus, I will walk you through the IDEs you can use to start coding right away. So without any delay, let's get started. So what exactly is Python? So Python is a high-level, widely used and a general-purpose programming language that is known for its simplicity, readability and versatility. So it was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 with the goal of making programming easy and fun for everyone, right? So Python is a high-level programming, which means it is very much close to human language. You can write your instruction by using simple English keywords like print hello world, instead of focusing on the complex binary codes like 0, 1, 0, 1 and all, which allow you to focus on the logical part instead of like hardware details like memory management, registers, etc. So one of the biggest strengths of Python is its flexibility. I mean, it can be used for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, data science, and even in AI and machine learning. Now, let's discuss the key features of Python. So there are several key features in Python programming. Like first one is open and free source. So Python is completely free to download even for commercial projects. You do not need to pay any subscription for that, right? Second is easy and clean syntax. So Python is close to English, which means it is easy to read and write your code. You do not require any curly braces or semicolons. We use the indentation to define the code blocks, which improve the clarity. Portable or a cross-platform. So Python is compatible with all the operating systems, either you are working with Windows, Linux or Mac. You can define your code once and you can use it everywhere without any modification. Dynamically typed language. So Python is a dynamically typed language, means you do not declare any data type before assigning any value into the variables. Python detects automatically all the data types at runtime. Interpreted language. Python executes the code line by line using an interpreter. So no need of separate compilation like in C or C++. It makes debugging easier as all the errors are shown at runtime. So Python ideal for the rapid development and testing part. Now let's talk about why is Python the best for data science. First, rich ecosystem of libraries. So Python has powerful libraries like NumPy for numerical calculation, Pandas for data manipulations, Seaborn and Matplotlib for data visualization part. And even for AI and machine learning stuff, you have the specific scikit-learn, TensorFlow and Keras frameworks which help you out to perform model building part. Second is easy integration. Python easily connects with databases, web apps and big data platforms. So it supports APIs and other languages, making it flexible for real-world applications. Third is support for Jupyter Notebook. So Jupyter Notebook is one of the IDEs of Python which allow you to write and run your code in chunks with real-time outputs. It is great for analysis, data visualization, and even sharing your works with others. Fourth is used by top companies. So the big names like Google, Netflix, Facebook, and NASA use the Python for their data science projects. They show Python is reliable, scalable, and trusted in the industry. That is why Python stands out as the best choice for data science, thanks to its powerful libraries, easy of use, and strong industry support. So in the next video, I will walk you through how to install Python and set up the best IDEs to get you started. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful. So see you in the next one.